and welcome. I wanted to make this short video. I haven't in the past joined in with other stitchery artisans in their projects, but I wanted to do that this year. I wanted to share with some of them and the projects that they're doing, and because they're very talented, you can learn a lot of things from them, and I just like to support my fellow artisans. And so first one I'm doing is I'm going to be doing this one with Feather Stitch House, and the name of it is Winging It in 2024. And the first month is about the weather in January, the January weather vibes in whatever area of the world we're living in. Now, as a lot of you know, I live in Northeast Texas, and we don't normally have really bad winters, but we have been unusually cold and wet and frigid. We've had hail, we've had little frost and icy conditions, we've had some snow flurries. It's just gray, bluish gray skies. It's just very, very frigid. And so, but just north of me, just not that many miles north of me, they've had quite a bit of blanket snow, things like that, and I'm sure we'll get some before the winter's over. But anyway, I wanted to show, to me, blue is a cold color, which it is in the color scheme of things, but I wanted to show to the sparkles and the beauty of the cold weather, the ice reflecting, the frost reflecting off of twigs and plants and grasses out in your yard, and when you get a snow pack, how it glistens in the sun. So I wanted to portray some of that, as not everything just being bleak and cold and wet and yucky, but also there's beauty in the different weather patterns that we have. Let me back you up just a little here. So this is very small, little 4x4. I made it that size because I'm going to incorporate it in my own stitch by stitch project that I'm doing this year on my YouTube channel. But it still allowed me to get the feel of what I wanted to portray. You can see that I have the little landscaping strata going through there, and some just leafless twigs, just kind of dead in the winter cold there. But the glistening of the different elements, the snow and the coming in the sky and so forth and so on. So that's my take on this project, and it was a lot of fun. And I'm really glad that I'm jumping in on this. I really appreciate this channel, Feather Stitch House, and I'm just really new at being a subscriber there, but I like this project, so I wanted to share it with all of you who subscribe here and follow me, because this is another artisan you may appreciate very much. So that being said, let's do some January vibes. And she does have a Facebook group where you can upload your work if that interests you there. And also she gives an Instagram account where you can upload, a hashtag where you can upload to also. So, okay, this is my Winging It 20x24 January vibes. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.